And this is a thing that I'm trying to get my head around as well. I didn't realize there is money in cleaning, right? And I don't vouch for any franchises. People know it's nothing. I'm not talking about you specifically, but when I'm explained the business models for cleaning franchises, I'm thinking, gosh, yeah, there's certainly something in it. It's a very different approach that someone wouldn't ordinarily. Everyone thinks franchise, thinks fast food, thinks whatever, right? This is a very different approach in how you guys operate it. And so you have teams of cleaners going out. Even when you are a franchise owner, you can have teams of people going out and doing cleaning in other locations for you, and you're managing that.
Correct. Yes, and that's the whole goal that we focus on to our franchises, because we've personally been into that situation where that you're almost a prisoner in your own business.
Yeah.
So, and that's one of the main goals that the second goal that I ask any potential franchisees, what goals?
Yep. What
goals
they
have you set for yourself? Because going and, obviously to come on board, you'll be hands-on, but trying to get you into that position where you got a team working for you. You're just managing and operating your team.